Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 26, 2022, 4-star Sudoku, 6th grade. 4 numbers are remaining: 6, 7, 8, 9. 6th row we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th grade only 2 numbers are remaining: 6 and 8. Column I we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and third row we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Eighth row and 9th row we have 4. Column G also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F and column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Column B and column D, second row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column H and column I we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth row only 2 numbers are remaining: 1 and 5. Column F we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth grade only 2 numbers are remaining: 4 and 5. 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row 4 numbers are remaining: 1, 3, 6, 9. Column D, column F, column H we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column I we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 9. Column E, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row and column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only one number remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, only one number remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, only one numbers are remaining, 6 is from here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 on come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then the 8 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Seventh row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.